In this video, I'm going to show you how to react to a Snapchat message. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Snapchat app and then right here just tap at chats icon to see your conversations list. Then open up some conversation and right here you can react on any message. It can be your message or recipient message. In order to react to a message, all you have to do is just hold down your finger on a message until these options comes up, and then right here at the top you can find reaction stickers or reaction emojis, and you can just tap on one of them to react to a specific message. Then if you want to change the reaction, you can also hold down right here and then select another reaction for that message. Also, you can hold down here and tap at the same reaction to unreact that message. I'll tap right here at that emoji and see what happened. I have just unreacted that message. I hope this helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.